That's right. Hey, did you ever get a call back on that? All right, here's 2016 Contenders Case 2 Triple Box Break number 4, the RPS Frenzy, up in full effect. Jason S. up top, you got Statman, Treasure Hound, and D. Laredo, Golf Pro, Baloney, Steel City. If I'm quiet during these breaks, it's just because we're breaking 5 cases and talking for 5 hours straight. I'm going to lose my voice. I guarantee it, and I need it for this weekend. So, all right. Final 3. All right, look at Dirt's dog. There you go. Here's Andy Janovich. Andy. 10 out of 24 going to Denver. So, D. Laredo. Some more cracked ice stuff. I like it. Dirt's dog was very specific. He goes, I want a Jordan Howard cracked ice non-digital card one time. There you go. Here's Zach Ertz. 14 out of 99. Going to Philly. Statman. There you go, AD. Here is an 8 out of 10 legendary. John Elway. Oh my God. Dude's everywhere. Going to Indy. Eric Swope. Jason S. Oh, that's right. Yeah, Andy Janovich. Okay. Now it's ringing a bell. So if you guys are just tuning in, we are in Case 2, Triple Box Break number 4. So pretty much how we're doing it is we're running right up to about 50 minutes per case. And then the last 10 minutes, I got to get everything set aside and get the new rosters printed out for the next case. At some point, I'll have to take just a quick little break. Haven't seen my son today, so whenever he gets home, I'll probably just pop upstairs, say hi to him. Yeah, we all need a break at some point in time, right? Here's Derek Watt. Going to those Chargers. Stevie F. No autograph. Tommy Lee Lewis. 73 to 99. New Orleans. I do not have my headband, no. I need to. Here's Jarrell Presley going to those Packers. You can see right there. Meat Taylor 216. We are due for something in this last 3 boxes. We haven't anything too wild yet. Tajay Sharp. I already took, okay, so after the first case, I took off my shirt. Okay, I still got an undershirt on. I'm just saying, but at that rate, by the time we get down to the end, I'm going to be in my socks only. And that's going to be awkward for everybody. Devontae Booker, so the RPS, D. Laredo. He's got a couple under the belt tonight. All right. So nice Devontae Booker in there. Dude, once I hit a rhythm, you just gotta stay on it. Once you hit a rhythm, just dang it. There it went. Corey Coleman, little digital guy. Stupid points. 150. Random that off. Cody Core going to Cincy. So Tiarashi with a Cody Core autograph. So, I mean, if we're stacking case against case, case number 1, put an old school beaten. Kind of like the beaten Ronda Rousey took on this second case. But all it takes is one big boy hit to turn it around. But yeah, the first case overall was pretty solid across the board. All right, Sue Craven's AD probably wants to get his paws on that. That's G Money. There you go, buddy. Why is that too soon? I don't know about that. All right, here's Anthony Zettel, 2 out of 25. Championship ticket. Detroit, Scott. There you go, bud. Then Wendell. There you go. That'll count towards Philly. Statman. 3 out of 99. Shorter print on card. Stuff just looks really clean this year. I love it. Matty Stafford, 13 out of 249. 2 packs left. And then Miles Jack, 144 out of 199. Could it be in this last box? We need something to save this case, right? We need something. All right. Yeah, Dirch, I don't know why they are either. What are they hyperlinking to? That's the big question. We need something, right? Dak Prescott. I think the last one of these sold for 20 bucks, so I don't know. There's your buy-in back right there, Jason, for that one spot, I guess. We want to see a physical Dak Prescott. Oh, boy. If there's any time that I want to see it, I want to see it right now. Oh. Adam Thielen. So a rookie ticket variation. They should put a question mark after that. All right, so that's going to Minnesota. Steel City. I thought that was it. Nope. Then you got Javon Hargrave. Going to Pittsburgh. Steel City. Last stack. Oh, boy. Tom. He goes, what? All right. Come on with it. Hit me with something on the way out of case number 2. Scooby Wright? Yeah, that's not what I was looking for. So Scooby Wright going to Cleveland. Big Dog 808. Oh, boy. Oh, the hunger is real right now. It definitely is. All right, Sue Craven's 31 out of 199 going to Washington. G Money. There you go, bud. Leonte Carew going to Miami Steel City. Getting RPS frenzy, but probably not going to get worked up about Leonte Carew, right? Then Jason Witten, 83 to 249. 83 to 249, Jason Witten. Down to 2 packs. 1 pack. Jacobs. Not going to play around. That was kind of a rough case, all right? Jacoby Brissett. Man, that's the time that you're like, you know what? Thank God I didn't go out, buy a case of Contenders, and then pull all of that. Just keep that in mind. Because my brother broke a case, okay? My brother broke a case of this stuff today, and the best thing he got was a Jared Goff out of the entire case. So just keep that in mind. All right. So it can happen. All right, 150 points. Number 25, Jason S. All right. So let me go and save this one up.